Hello, sir. Welcome to the convocation of Stratford University today, and we would like to know that as we are providing international education system in Stratford University. So that international education system, how do you think that is going to help to our students to cope in India?
Well, the first is the world is getting smaller, and the technology is getting faster. So interlinkages between peoples is becoming part of life. So universities like Stratford, which are bringing nationalities from different parts of the world, and I am told you have 12 nationalities today in the graduation ceremony. It helps us to understand one another better. You know, we go back to the old concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam in India. We want the whole world to be our family. So you are in that process of connecting people, connecting students from across the world. You are doing a very divine thing by putting together people.
And sir, we just had a word like we are into international education system. So what do you think that students are, how the Stratford University education system is going to help them for their career point of view?
See, the most important thing for career is skill set, someone to have something with him which he can use for the good of the society and also for his own making. And the second one is the people skill, whether he can get along with a team of people coming from different parts of the world. There are many students in India who have, like me, who studied in small towns and villages, and we know and we understand our own people. But the moment you bring in a new person from outside, we are tense. We don't know who he is. We don't know what kind of a person he is. So it becomes difficult for us to work together as a team. You are already giving that base. So your students who pass out can fit into any global system, because today jobs are all over the world. Because you could be sitting in India and working for the United States. You could be sitting in the United States and working for India. So you must understand the cultures of the world. You must understand the attitudes of different people of the world. And this university and your classroom is the base, and it's the foundation for giving that connectivity to people. So you must appreciate yourselves on the contribution that you are undertaking to the world at large, not just a small city in Delhi.